Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 70 and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your dialer application like this one right here and then navigate to the Contacts tab. Click on these four dots right over here and select Settings. And here you'll find Import Export. You want to select Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. You can quickly select all of them by clicking right over here, and then once you have everything selected that you want, you can select Import. Now for me, it only shows phone as an option, because this is an option as you can see. But if you have, for instance, a Huawei account signed in on the phone, you can choose that as well. I don't, so it only gives me this single option. So that's what I'm going to select. Once you do, it will import selected contacts, and when you go back, you should be able to see them in your list. Though Huawei, again, isn't necessarily the best when it comes down to dealing with contacts, as now it's displaying both contacts from your SIM card and from your phone at the same time. So you have two different ones. They're the same exact contact. If you kind of look at it, select allow. So this is *121 hash. So that's the one on the SIM card. And then below that is the same contact, just on the phone. Now, for people that are wondering why would you import contacts if they're already being displayed, is because contacts that are either on your account or on the phone, once going to edit, will allow you to add things like photos, additional numbers, specify the numbers, organizations, emails, notes, locations, and stuff like that, birthdays, and so on. So it gives you much more versatility with the contacts and can assign a lot of things to it. While if we go back to the one that is stored on the SIM card, you get just the name of the contact, phone number, and ringtone, which ringtone is based on the phone itself. So it's this portion isn't even based on the SIM card, and that's it. You can't even change a contact photo. So just wanted to point that out. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.